Every marathon runner knows. The right shoe can be the difference between fading at the last mile and crossing the finish line stronger than ever. The OneMix new full palm carbon board professional marathon running shoes are designed with one purpose: to keep you fast, efficient, and supported through every stride of the race. At the heart of this shoe lies the full-length carbon plate, engineered to guide force transfer seamlessly from heel to toe. It delivers the stability and propulsion needed to maintain speed, mile after mile, creating a stride that feels balanced, powerful, and efficient. Paired with a responsive elastic foam midsole, often compared to popcorn cushioning, you get a ride that is light, springy, and shock-absorbing. Every step feels cushioned yet explosive, reducing fatigue and pushing you forward with more energy. The addition of TPU and the CPU system reinforces the sole with anti-torsion strength, ensuring the shoe holds its structure even under the stress of long-distance racing. That means no wasted motion, just clean, efficient performance. Breathability and comfort are just as important as propulsion. The mesh upper keeps airflow consistent, ensuring your feet stay cool and dry even under peak intensity. The lace-up closure provides a secure and customizable fit, so the shoe adapts to your stride without distraction. Beneath it all, the high-traction rubber outsole delivers reliable grip. With textures like the Dragon Claw anti-skid design, it grips confidently across a variety of surfaces, keeping you stable whether the road is dry, slick, or unpredictable. This is a shoe built for efficiency. Lightweight and designed to minimize fatigue, yet durable enough to withstand the grind of competitive racing. OneMix combines ultralight bounce with ForMotion technology, allowing for a smooth, natural stride that flows effortlessly from step to step. Every impact is absorbed, every push-off returned as energy. For runners chasing distance, speed, and endurance, the OneMix full palm carbon board shoes are more than footwear. They are a performance system. Shock absorption, energy return, stability, and breathability come together in a design that's made for the road, built for the race, and ready for the finish line. Because in marathon running, it's not just about how far you go, it's about how strong you feel when you get there. With OneMix, every stride takes you closer to your best race yet.